Yeah. So hello guys. Today I'm going to show how you can create your own custom front end for the pixel streaming website with using the React application instead of that whatever the default front end we have. We can make our own front end. So yeah, let's get started. So first I will close this server. Yeah. So first you need to make a build of your project, and after getting the build with the pixel streaming on, you just need that two bat files. So this is just for running the node server, and yeah, and this is for running Unreal Engine with the streaming port on like 888. And yeah, now first we need to run the server. Yeah, so first for that custom front end you need to go to that whatever your project name, then in the samples pixel streaming web server, and go to the front end. So here you can see there are implementation library, ui library. So you can simply open this with code, and you will get something this. So in this you can go to the readme. So here readme, you can see that it will show you the steps for prerequisite and then building the library. So first you need to install that node. You can do it in the terminal itself, and then you need to build the library. So here it's they return the command. So you need to run all these three in the terminal itself in the front end folder. Okay, make sure to do it in the front end folder, and then you need to uh, build that UI library also. So after this, if you want to work with TypeScript, so you can use this thing, building the default UI. You can go to the implementation TypeScript and then run that both commands. And for after that, you will get a player HTML and player JS in the signaling web server and public directory. So as you can see, uh, yeah, signaling web server and public. I just see there are player.html and player.js is also there. So in the player.html, you can see it's not started. So uh, first you need to on the node server, and then you need to run the game also in the yeah. So after running the game, you can simply come, and here in the signaling URL you need to type localhost, and it's running on the port 80. So as you can see, we are connected to it, but we need to implement our own React website. So just close this, and uh, yeah. So now here is written making your own UI, but you don't need to do this. Instead just come to the that in React, and here there is another README. So you need to go inside the React directory by using cd implementation and then React. Yeah. So I'm in the React folder. Then you need to run all these three commands. So after running these three commands, like let me close my uh, server. Yeah, here I have already installed and run build all, but now I need to run the server npm run serve. Yeah, so it will take some time to run in the server. Yeah, now you can see this will provide you. It is running on the localhost and the port is 8080. So you just need to come on the website. Then you can simply write localhost and the port is 8080. So here you can see that your React application is uh, working. So now if you want to do some changes, then you can come. You can see that React has a source, and if you know about React, then you can easily you are able to easily like change anything. So here there is a pixel streaming wrapper, and in that wrapper our video is inside the wait a minute. Yeah, inside the video parent. So you can capture the video from video parent by using wait, yeah by using this code. So here you can capture the stream, and then you can use that stream anywhere. You can do anything on that. Let me show you some. And here also you can come to the element and see, okay, there's a div, and yeah, there is a video ID which is called streaming ID. You can capture this video ID. Mhm. Now this is something live, so you can do any changes here. Like, let me see. Yeah, if I just comment this and save, it will automatically update in real time. So see, uh, that my data is not available. And then if I use this, then you can suddenly see our game running on the pixel screen. Yeah, so yeah, that is for today video, and